Welcome. Today, we'll explore how Excel helps us organize and manage data easily. From creating tables to using formulas, let's dive into the wonders of Excel. Tables made easy. What is a table? Tables arrange data in rows and columns, making it easier to read and analyze. Creating a table in Excel. 1. Select the data. 2. Click Insert Table. 3. Check My table has headers and press OK. Using table styles, tables can be styled with colors to make them more appealing. Using the Table Styles option in Excel, students can apply a variety of colors and designs. Step 1. Select your table. Step 2. Go to the Table Design tab. Step 3. Choose a style that suits your table's theme. Sorting and filtering data. Sorting and filtering help manage large sets of data. For example, sorting can arrange grades from highest to lowest, while filtering can show only specific grades. Step 1. Select your table. Step 2. Click on the column header to sort or apply a filter. Click and link. Hyperlinks in Excel. Hyperlinks in Excel let you connect to websites, sheets, or documents. Creating a hyperlink. Step 1. Select a cell where you want the link. Step 2. Right-click and choose link. Step 3. Choose existing file or web page, enter the link, and press OK. Linking cells. Cell linking lets one cell reflect the value of another, which is great for creating summaries or totals. Step 1. Click on the cell you want to link. Step 2. Type is equal to and select the cell you want to link to. Step 3. Press enter, and your cell will now show the linked value. Basic formulas in Excel. Exploring Excel. Learn the layout, rows, columns, and cell addresses. Example B3. Simple formulas. First, sum is equal to sum. B2. B5 adds numbers in B2 to B5. Second, average is equal to average B2, B5. Third, count is equal to count B2, B5. Using autofill, drag the small square on a cell to copy formulas or fill sequences like dates. Conclusion: Excel makes organizing, linking, and calculating data super easy. Master these basics, and you'll be managing data like a pro.